Welcome back to this video. If you use Chrome search, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see Google search hack that allow you to identify names and meaning or details of any object or images in Google Chrome. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see on my screen right here, I'm going to use this particular rabbit as an example. So what we want to do, if we are browsing on the internet and we come across an image like this, which has no name or anything, and we want to know detail about this particular image, such as the name and the kingdom this particular type of animal are belonging to, and the necessary information about it. How do we find out with this particular image? So what we want to do is to click and hold down on a particular image, and this is going to pump up. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on search image with Google Lens. So we need to click on that. And it's going to open up like so, and you have everything right here. Now here, you can simply attach stuff right here. So what we want to do is to ask Google that, please give detailed explanation about this image. Hit on search. Then you have detailed explanation right here. Then you can simply click on here to show more. Now image shows a light brown rabbit, possibly a Flemish giant, domestic or New Zealand rabbit, inside a wooden enclosure with a wire mesh floor. The rabbit is positioned toward the left with its head and body visible in profile. Its ears are erect and its eyes are open, suggesting it is alert. The enclosure appears to be made of unfurnished wood, and the wire mesh provides ventilation and likely prevent the rabbit from escaping. The background is slightly out of focus, but it seems to be part of the same wood structure. It's as simple as that. Then you can scroll down right here, and here you have opportunity to check on visual matches of the image. Now, if you take a look at some of the link right here, so this is one link, second link, third link, fourth link. So every places that this image has been used before or has been uploaded before, you will have opportunity to see everything right here. Now, if you take a look from the beginning of this tutorial, this is the link where I got the image. So if we click on it, it will redirect us back to the link. Then you can come to the top right here and go to products. So if it is a sellable product, then you will be given the price and where you can get them for purchase. Or better still, you can come to visual matches right here. Under the visual matches, this allows you to see different links and different similar picture of the same product, of the same image that you upload, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see as many as possible. Okay. Next, we go to about this image right here. This will tell you every detail about that particular image. Similar images are at least 1 year old. So just like what you see right here, and it takes us back to where I got the image on the particular website. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply identify any object or images using Google search. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.